Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use an AI to create a very beautiful and fantastic background. As a matter of fact, this background that you are seeing is actually fake. I don't have this background. I'm actually recording on a plain wall. So in order for you to do, first, you're going to need an AI, which is Leonardo.ai, where you're going to be generating your background image. The second, canva.com. With Canva, you'll be able to do some changes. And the last one, which is very important that you're going to be using to blend all of these, is CapCut, right? And after that, another thing you're still going to be needing is that you're going to need a tripod. A tripod in the sense that so that when you are recording, your video will not be shaking, right? So that is the reason why you're going to need a tripod. Another thing you're still going to be needing is a lighting. So there has to be a proper lighting facing you. But if you do not have light, normal light, what you can do is that the perfect one that you can actually use is just open your window and allow the light from the window to face yourself in order for you to have a proper video. To get down to this, I'm going to take you to my screen where I'm going to be showing you this particular video which we have recorded. This is what you are actually going to be seeing, in this video I'm going to be uploading. But before we go into the processes of doing all of this, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please, I'm going to beg you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, I want you to smash the like button, because if you smash the like button, what you actually did is that you are notifying people to also get to watch this video. Thank you for doing that for me. Now, let me take you to my screen.
So first of all, what we are going to be doing is that you come to your Google and type Leonardo AI. So once it pops up, you click on this very first link that you are seeing here. You click on it and it will open. As soon as it opens, you can come here. Since you do not have an account before, you can easily come and create an account and just click on create. And the new interface will come here. It's very easy. Either you come here to register everything manually or sign in, but the easier way is you can just come here. You can sign in with any of these three options: Apple, Google, or Microsoft. So I'm just going to use Google. I use my Gmail to sign in. So what it comes is going to take you, this is my Gmail, and it will take you directly there. So as soon as that, it will open a new interface queue. The username you're going to be using. So this is going to be my username. So it's going to check if my username is available for use. So let's say available. So it's already giving me a tick and a green light to go. So the next thing is going to ask, what are your interests? So my interest is going to be for stock images. Okay, then I will come here. I can select at least one, and education as well. I can just come here and I confirm that I am above 18 years of age. You confirm this one. Once you confirm this, and it will highlight this one for you to go next. So you click on next. If you come to this left side of my hand, you will see that it said 150 coins. 150 coins means that you can use 150 coins to download as much as how many images per day. So if you want to download more than 300 images in a day, that means you need to upgrade to the Pro version. But 150 coins per day is more than enough for you to use. And I can easily just come here and say generate image. Popular one, generate what? Image. So when I click on this generate image, now it's going to give me where I'm going to, how many image do I want to generate. So as a first timer, I can only generate only 4 images. But first of all, I need to type in a prompt. So what kind of image you want to generate? So you can put in a prompt. So this is going to be our prompt. So generate a YouTube background image with lights, plant, bookshelf, table lamps, microphone left. Okay, so let's see what it's giving us. So you can see, oh my word, these are nice image that he has generated, which is cool. I think we're going to be using any of this one. This one is good. Okay, I'm just going to download all of this one. Download this one. This one is also cool. The plant. This one is also. The next thing that we are going to go right now is go to Canva. Okay, so I'm going to use this my same email to sign up to Canva. Under this place, you just type YouTube thumbnails. So the first one you're going to see a YouTube thumbnail 12 by 80 to 70 to 720 pixels. So you click on that one. In this particular video, we are going to be using a blank page. Okay, so once it's open, the next thing that we are going to be doing is we need to upload those images that we already downloaded from the vibe of using. So let's just download all of them so we can select the nice one. I actually like this one with the bright background and everything. Let's use this one. So by the time you double click on it, I'm going to delete one. By the time you double click on it, you discover that it's not going to be of the same size with what you have here. So what you're just going to do is to stretch it. Okay, take it to the edge and stretch like this. Okay, and stretch it this way. So now you stretch it to fill up the screen, okay, which is kind of pulled this way. So the next thing that you're going to do, you're just going to add some kind of positive vibe to this particular stuff that you are saying. But before that, let's go to elements. Okay, I'm going to click on element and look for YouTube image, YouTube logo. Just type YouTube logo. Okay, YouTube logo is there, so it's going to give you different kind of logos. So search for this are paid one, so we can take this one which is free, and we can come here, reduce it a bit, and we'll just look for somewhere to place it to kind of give us a kind of a cool vibe. We can put it at the top left corner. So if you actually have your image or maybe a picture of yourself or whatsoever you feel like you want to display at the top of it, you can put it here as well. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like this and download our case. So download the PM. So it's already downloaded. Okay, so we are done with our AI generator and we're done with our Canva. So the next step that we'll be going to is CapCut.
So the next thing we are going to do here right now is to click on new project. So you tap on new project and you go to photo. First of all, you need to import the photo that we have created. Okay, so this is the photo over here. I'm going to be using this. So I later created a new one, so I'm going to be using this particular one and add. Okay, so what we are going to do, as you can see just the length of the photo. So what we're going to do, we're going to be dragging it to the extent we want our video to 32 seconds. Okay, it's fine. The next thing we're going to do is overlay. So you come at the bottom of the screen, see overlay. So at this time, when you say overlay, we're going to be adding our video. So the video which we are going to be adding, you come to video and let us select the video which we are going to be adding. So this is the recorded video that I use play background to record. Now, one thing I want you to know is that if you check the video very well.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you.
So if you check the video very well, you will discover that this external microphone that is here and my hands were moving, it was a bit glitchy. So in order for you to avoid this type of thing, is either you use a microphone that you can pin to your shirt, or that is not visible at the camera at all, so that when you are talking and you are moving your hands, because when I was moving my hand, the microphone was kind of glitchy and my hands were glitching as I was moving my hands. So you want to avoid all of this as well. Okay, and after I made this experiment, I did a later video where I did not put this microphone and the video was super cool. So you want to choose and make the appropriate decision. Okay, so I'm just going to add this one, split from here, from this particular point. I'm going to split it and delete this particular part after the video. So delete. So now we have a video which is the same with the photo that we are using. Okay, next, so while your video is highlighted, so next what you are going to do is to, on your app, either you locate cutout and remove background, or you can just see background on the edit section. So you click on remove BG, so you can see it remove BG. So depending on the length of your video, then you can set auto remover, then you remove it auto remover. Now let's see. So as you can see, our background has been removed. Once that is done, then you can tap up OK. So as you can see now, what we are going to do is just to adjust our video clip, okay, to size the video and place it on any position that we like. And as soon as that is done, then let's play and see what is happening here. So it's applying one feature.
Background. Matter of fact, this background that you are seeing is actually fake. I don't have this background. I'm actually recording.
Now if you discover from this video, you would if you observe from this video, you discover that where the microphone is and my hands are moving, it's kind of glitching. So you want to avoid using microphone. You can pin your microphone to your shirt if you have the option, or take away the microphone from where the camera will not be seeing the microphone, and there will be no glitching. Okay, in the later part of this video, you will see where I did not use this microphone. I pinned microphone to my shirt. Everything was super perfect. After that, you want to go ahead to to do whatever you want to add to the video. Probably you want to add some test template. Let's say, for example, I want to use social media template. I can just come here and type here
an
subscribe.
AI.
So you tap on it,
an AI,
and
which is Leonardo.
subscribe at Anthony Ochuko. So I can just come here and come down and say at Anthony Ochuko. Okay, so you can adjust it to any size you want. You can make it very large, position it properly. When you click OK and click OK, and now it will display. You can actually still drag it if you want it to be that long, but I don't want to drag it too much. Just keep it this way. It's more than enough, right? So once that is done, if you are satisfied with your video and everything, you can still go ahead and do some a little bit of effect, blur the background of your video here, and click on video effect, and under this place you can look for blur. So you click on search for blur. Okay, so the first one, which is here, which is blur, so we can actually blur
AI2, but the software.
So your background is blurred. There is one thing that you still need to do when it comes to blurring your background. You have to adjust the blur of your background. So if you tap on adjust, so you can actually adjust the blur effect to suit your preference. Okay, so as you can see, it is 0, so it's very sharp. So I'm going to take it a little bit and blur it a little bit. So yeah, so
AI2, but the software, which is called.
Do it however you want to do it, that suits your preferences and will suit your audience as well. So this is how it works. So let's see what we have done. So I'm going to click on OK, and that's it. Let's play our video. See. So however, remember, your blur has to fill the entire page of the video, right? It has to fill the entire page of the video, because if you do not do it that way, it's going to blur only a particular section of your video. So that's it. Okay, so yeah, so now let's play and see what
as a matter of fact, this background that you are seeing is actually
so finally, satisfied with your work, the next thing that you are going to do is to upload your video. Uploading your video means exporting your video to your gallery. So you click on that arrow over there. Now it is uploading according to your file size. Our video has finished exporting within a minute. This is the end of our video. Thank you for staying to the end. Enjoy the rest of the video. God bless you.
Thank you so much for watching to the end of that video. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do well to do that right now. And also, don't forget to smash on that like button. When you do that, the YouTube algorithm also take this video to like-minded people to see this video. Thank you so much. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.